good, YouTube? It's your boy J Mizzle 24. Now you know I'm getting ready to do my BC Coilover install. Everything's sitting out here on the table, basically. Got my tools, got the coilover set up. So yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get started. What I'm gonna start doing right now is taking off this these top bolts. Alright, so I undid those. And we're going down here. I've already removed the sway bar linkage. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to take the sway bar linkage, because once you install the new coilover strut, this sway bar linkage, if you only do one sway bar link, the other one's going to keep it compressed and it's going to be pushed down. So you got to make sure that you remove both of them, so that when you put the new coilover on, BC, they include, for the RDX, they include some shorter sway bar links, okay? And it's not going to work if you got one of the OEM sway bar links done on the other side. It's going to be compressed on this side. All right. And now what we're doing is we putting the strut in. So we're getting the top hat. We're going to get the top hat bolted up. Use your jack to lift the knuckle up.
So stay on the grind. I'm infrared and it's the boogeyman, bitch. Step in my room when you're ready for dick. I eat it up versus the bed with the dish, and I'm flipping around and I grab on the hip.
Got my second, got my sway bar link. Remember, like I said before, you gotta make sure that you take off both sway bar links so that you can at least install both of them. We started on this first one. There you go. Here's the first one. There's the first one. Just make sure you tighten everything up. Make sure you get your lines and everything together. Make sure you put your clip in right here for the ABS. Stick this in here. Make sure you tighten up the and mount the brake line like it is from factory. Get your sway bar linkage. Make sure that's nice and tight. Make sure your top hat bolts are nice and tight, and then on to the other side and to the rear. Spring Fest is next week.
Is that why you're moving so fast?
That's why I'm getting everything done. The only thing I won't be doing is installing my injectors. I gotta install the fucking look at all that camera. All that camera wear. It's gonna get worse. Now that we're at the rear to the top of your shop. So what I did is I cut slits right here and right here, so I can bring it down and have enough room to take this bolt off for the shop. Okay. The tools that you'll need is a 4.5 millimeter, 4.5, 4.5, whatever, 4.5 millimeter Allen key, and a 14 millimeter wrench. And obviously you'll put the 14 mil on the nut, 4.5 on the top of the shock, and then that'll help you be able to turn and get that bolt off. Got some PV blaster, sprayed it in there, got it all loose like you do. Now we're gonna go to jacking the car up and getting the shock and the spring off and replacing it with the coilover. So I got the top of this shock loosened. This bottom shock, at the bottom of the shock, it's like a little bolt here. Yeah. You want to make sure that you get the T55. There's a really big bolt for the thing, and that goes into that goes for the bolt to undo the bottom of the shock.
Yeah. Wait. Put it down.
Dang, I ain't mean to do that.
You gotta come down, son. Oh, wait. Okay. It does have a slight right look to it now. Damn, Flip. Damn, Flip. So that's at 15 threads.